So we're currently on the way to Kanchanaburi. We're getting the Bouncy Castle train. £2.50 each to go like on a 2-hour journey to the next place. Oh, that's for sure. Yeah, we're going to get off the train the other side. Probably going to be nowhere near the hostel, and then probably going to have to walk about, I don't know, 2 miles with like a front pack backpack, sweating our absolute balls off. Yeah, thanks, mate. Yeah, so we just got off the train from Thonburi railway station to Kanchanaburi train station. It's really hard to find, to be fair. It wasn't really well advertised, and it's not part of the Thailand Railway, I think. It wasn't part of the Thailand Railway website anyway. Just kind of found the times and went on a whim. Nearly missed the times because there's only 2 trains a day.
And someone pushed in.
Oh, so annoying. But you know, you're travelling. Train station was only 15-minute drive away from our hostel, which was about 2 roads away from Koh Sam Road, for reference. But yeah, we really got off the trail. We got on a train, which was absolutely amazing. And now we're just on the way to number 125, number 125 cafe and hostel. And we're just walking there now with our front packs.
And side packs.
Backpacks.
And side packs.
Oh, and side packs. Oh. But yeah, this is a breath of fresh air, to be fair, being up here rather than being in the city.
So much, like, there's barely any pollution.
Cool. Yeah.
It's amazing.
Feels a lot cooler.
Breathe.
Feels a lot cooler.
Yeah. I do miss Bangkok already though.
You miss Bangkok already?
I love Bangkok.
Yeah, Bangkok is good. But I do love the country. Oh, okay. Jesus!
So close!
There it is. 7-Eleven. Don't know if you can see it. Amazing. Oh.
7-Eleven!
I was really worried that we were going to run out of 7-Elevens. Oh.
No way, Heather.
We're not running out of 7-Elevens anytime soon. That's it, aggressively. Oh, do it!
Me and Charles are racing.
Number 25 cafe and hostel. Oh, they got hammocks. They got hammocks. Amazing. What is that? Is that jacuzzi? I think they got a jacuzzi as well. So good.
Oh, this hostel.
Yeah, I did good enough. Oh shit. No, I chugged it. We've just gone to the hostel, can't check in, pretty sure I already told you that. So now we just walk down the road, we're at Anshan guest house, eating. Does anyone have an Anshan noodles? No. Oh. Cheers. So, we're back at the hostel. Time to go and check in.
Yeah, this is it's not the worst thing I've ever done.
Travelling's not a mistake.
Garlic chicken is, mate. Garlic chicken is a mistake.
Garlic chicken is 100% a mistake. Time to see the room. Oh, back to the shaft. Got the bags. Oh. Late night Edison session with beers and cigarettes. And cigarettes, I mean, like, you know, 1 cigarette for a cigarette.
With cigarettes.
Oh. This is our new foul friend. I think he's coming to Erawan Falls with us tomorrow.
Cheers.
How's it going on? Cheers. Yeah. You're watching the videos already, aren't you? How long are you here for?
In Thailand, like 5 days or something.
5 days?
Yeah.
No, nice. You coming with us or not?
Yeah, why not?
Oh, might as well. Erawan Falls tomorrow.
Yes, tomorrow. But you're going up at 8 o'clock or something, huh?
Yeah, 8 o'clock.
Or you're departing at 8 o'clock?
Well, no. We need to be at the bus station.
Oh, fuck.
Yeah, so 7:20 will you?
Yes, why not?
Yes!
Yeah.
Yeah, sweet. Alright. No. Ours could be shaft. What is it? It's a 44. It's a 44-minute walk to the bus station. Sorry? Shaft. Look.
Definitely staying in bed, not gonna lie.
Tonight, I think we've established two things. One, no, it's probably...
When you drink.
We've established two things. I wouldn't call him nutty, but I don't think he's allergic to nuts anymore. So James over here is probably going to be addicted to cigarettes again. And two, we are going to Erawan Falls tomorrow with all of us lot and Otto.
Yeah.
And we're going to go absolutely smash some backflips.
Backflip.
Backflips.
I bet he can backflip.
Can you backflip?
Yeah. So of course he can backflip. A backflip.
Yeah.
I didn't try that.
So yeah, see you at Erawan Falls. We've just left the hostel. Today's another day. Heading to Erawan Falls. All of us are like partially late / moody. Lack of coffee, I think. Got on the beers last night. Too much change, too much chang. Isn't that right?
What?
Reveal your eyes. Yeah, the sunglasses will stay on when we're doing backflips into water. Just gonna grab a coffee. Amazing. Thank you very much. Cheers. So we're all fueled up at 7-Eleven. Got a coffee, got our sandwiches. So there's regular buses out of Kanchanaburi every day. Yeah. It's only 50 baht to get the bus. I think it's like an hour journey though. Don't be late to it like us. But we're just in, I think we're in just the town of Kanchanaburi, which is amazing. What you arguing about? What you arguing about?
Sweaty back.
So it turned out to be a good thing that we didn't get here early because the early bus was rammed. Drove past us, there was so many people on it. But we got the late bus and we were 50 minutes early, so we're all sat here basking, sweating, and none of us are going out to get drinks because we're all too scared to get off the bus in case it drives off without us.
I've already got water, mate, so I'm prepared.
Well, you know.
Yeah.
We should prepare for no fan being right there.
Yep. There's a shotgun in the window, but Steve doesn't realise that shotgun overrules everything, so he just sat there anyway.
No longer boiling on this bus now, we got a nice draft, got the window open. This bus went from being the worst bus ever to one of the best buses ever. The aircon's amazing, the windows are amazing, the doors open. We're just at Erawan Falls. Yeah. Alright. Where do you just walk around and see a huge pig? Yeah. You drink that pig?
Huh?
Pretty good pig.
It's probably the best pig I've ever seen.
Everyone's away.
Don't run away.
Hi. I want to take him home.
So here we are, Erawan National Park. How far, Jess?
Huh?
How far we got to go?
Too far.
Erawan Falls. 300 Thai baht entry. 50 Thai baht bus. Awesome. Oh, here he is! Here he is!
Oh, yeah.
We're at Waterfall number 2, I think. One of the main waterfalls. Boom, there it is. And I think we're all going to go in and hopefully try and find a way to jump off the top. So yeah, into that. Okay. Woo! I think we should jump off that thing. So the waterfalls are amazing. And guess what else is amazing? This platform that I'm walking on. Woo! Woo! Whoosh! Yeah, so I was born for this.
Hey.
Yep.
Run and dive straight up there.
Oh, no way.
Yeah.
No, I'll be buried in the sand. Probably should have got like a 10 to like 422mm lens, it probably would have been better. But just gonna have to deal with this for the time being because I can't afford another one. So. What is this? What is this? Oh. We just did that staircase. Hopefully that was the last one. The only thing I want to be ascending and descending from is a waterfall or a big rock. There's one question here that still needs to be answered, and that is, where on earth are the monkeys?
One talking to the camera.
Yeah, it is.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it is. I'm not it.
Huh?
I'm not it. I'm just it. I'm just it. Oh yeah, not like that.
You do actually fall. More climbing. Oh. Totally worth it there. Totally worth it. So we just got on the bus. We're heading back now from the falls. Getting out to sunset though. Unfortunately there was no backflips, there was no monkeys. Jack's had enough. Right, Jack. Alright. Then we're off the bus. G'day bus! Just got off the world's most amazing bus. 7 miles walk today. Bloody hell. Easily the best set of waterfalls I've ever seen. Ever. Unfortunately no backflips, water was too shallow around the edge. On the plus side, when I started floating in the water, the fish started chewing off my dead skin, so that was a bonus. 300 tie back, Jesus! It's pretty cable out of nowhere. 300 tie back for the falls, 100 tie back for the bus and the bus back, and about, I don't know, 45 back for a cheese sandwich and 20 baht for a bottle of Coke and 10 baht for a bottle of water, so about 500 baht until 500 baht converted into English is about £12.50, so that's half my daily budget, so that's amazing. Now time to get back to the room, shower, shave and beers. I think it's probably probably the most knackered we've ever been, isn't it?
Probably. So tired.
Yeah.
I haven't slept.
Why haven't you slept?
Beers. Said beers.
Beers. Yeah. James and Otto got absolutely levered last night. Pokolash, as Jack Whitehall would say. And now we're just on a little mosey down back to the number 25 cafe and hostel. So that pretty much concludes our day. It's been a blast. So you know, if you liked the video, if you liked our day, then give it a cheeky little like, share and subscribe, and see you in the next one. Cheers.